Hi, my name is Clara Tambunan, and I am in my final year of high school. I have just recently been accepted to the Faculty of Medicine in the University of Indonesia via the Talent Scouting route. The Talent Scouting route allows students to enter the International Program for Medicine in UI, where students can pursue preclinical medicine in Indonesia and either the UK or Australia. I took this international program because, well, firstly, it is taught in English, which is a language that I'm comfortable with. I can also access research opportunities abroad with this program, and subsequently, I can gain a double degree. As for my decision to study medicine, I've always wanted to become a doctor because I have a deep interest in the humanities and the human body, and I hope to dedicate my work and life to improving the health conditions of the Indonesian people. So I started preparing for FKUI since I was in grade 9. I remember asking an alumni from SVP, Vanessa, who is also a student in FKUI, about how I could get into this prestigious program. Ever since then, I started working hard in school, achieving the best grade I can, and building a strong portfolio. I also joined a few research internships during the pandemic, such as this research project started by the Murdoch Children Research Institute, where I became a youth advisor. Then in grade 12, I started writing my motivation letter about why I wanted to become a doctor. I owe a lot to SVP for helping me gain entrance to FKUI. I would like to first thank my English teacher, Mr. Ed, for helping me revise my motivation letter. I also would like to thank the school for providing me the necessary resources, which helped me ace the IELTS exam. The IB curriculum in SVP also trained me to become a well-rounded student, which I think is necessary for me to be a suitable candidate for FKUI. One memorable experience from this whole entrance process was the interview, actually. The interview process was pretty unique because it was pretty similar to the OSCE test that doctors have to take. So they tested our critical thinking and communication skills by giving us a variety of cases. And I was faced with doctors and professors from FKUI. So the experience was pretty nerve-wracking, but luckily the curriculum in SVP prepared me well for the interview. In the beginning, the program seemed daunting to me. I was pretty anxious and stressed out, but as time goes by, I realized that it's important to believe in my capabilities and trust that my hard work these past 2 years will pay off. Thank you.